Have you heard of the visual artist Beeple, who recently sold an NFT titled Every Day is the First 5,000 Days for $69 million? What? This is 5.15 billion rupees, and please do not count the zeros, and let's focus on our special segment, how to make NFT. If you haven't heard about the recent NFT, which is non-fungible token craze, you must be living under the rock. Celebrities, digital artists and other creators all are preparing to publish their work on blockchain. Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet as an NFT or non-fungible token for over $2.9 million. Not to be left behind, our Bollywood superstars including Amitabh Bachchan and Salman Khan joined the NFT wagon to offer Bollywood themes NFTs to enthusiasts. A big question to answer is what precisely an NFT can represent. Can it only be digital items or real world artworks too? Well, we will answer everything in this segment. When it comes to minting NFTs, the choices are endless, ranging from artwork to melodies. Even video games collectibles can be represented with NFTs. It's a wonderful technique to prove creative works, validity and ownership. NFTs, on the other hand, are designed to give you something you can't get anywhere else: ownership of the work. Buyers prefer to own NFTs related to digital artwork, songs, GIFs, videos, famous personalities, shots of players, and fictional characters. That really depends on whether you are an artist or a buyer. So let's assume that you are an artist and you want to sell your art in NFT form, but you are unaware of the process and which platform to choose. Well, if you want to make your own NFT, all you need is your song, artwork or collectibles, some crypto to create the NFT, a cryptocurrency wallet to store your crypto from the sale. You must be wondering how to mint an NFT. Well, we will show you how to do it. Go to the Feature by Binance homepage and click Create. You will need to connect your crypto wallet to that. Next, you just need to upload your digital files, which is images, audios, videos, etc. Make sure to add a description, metadata to your NFT. You will have to choose between creating individual NFTs or collections, which is a group of NFTs. Note that Treasureland has locked royalties at 10% before creating your NFT. You can now view your NFT or put it on sale. If you want to transfer it, you will have to pay a minting fees. NFT Avatar is one of the latest concepts in which gamers want their profiles to be representative of themselves. For example, the most prominent application of NFTs is CryptoPunks, which stores roughly around 10,000 unique characters on Ethereum blockchain. Each character is available for purchase, as seen by the fact that the CryptoPunks were sold for over $7 million. Separately, a simple analog of an NFT is a shiny Pokemon card. Anyone can print one and perhaps even make it look almost identical to a real one. But it's just not the same in the mind of collector. We value the shiny Pokemon card for its uniqueness and authenticity. This is the same with NFT. Of course, you can download the NFTs, associated images, collectibles, but that doesn't represent actual ownership or authenticity. NFTs are tradable on several platforms. If you ever run into a tight spot and want cash to meet some contingency, or if you see a greater value in some other pieces, you can trade your tokens easily afterwards. You can trade the NFTs on OpenSea, which is the biggest NFT marketplace. Its volume by NFT sales hit $3.4 billion in August and hovered around $3 billion even in September. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, has also entered the NFT market in June, and the main rival FTX followed the suit in September. In September, Coinbase, with 68 million verified users, opened its NFT trading as well. For viewers who are warming up to the idea of NFTs, the party has just begun. To be sure, regulators are known to take away the punch ball just as the party gets going. It's hard not to get overwhelmed by this market, but we can't argue with regulations. Governments could slow down the growing popularity of NFTs with regulations and taxation, but they can't stop it. Thank you so much for watching this special segment on NFT. Keep watching Crypto TV. Thank you so much.